Something interesting is happening at Samsung right now, and it's catching everyone off guard. The company seems to have hit the fast forward button, skipping One UI 8.0 entirely and jumping straight into testing One UI 8.5 on the Galaxy S23 series. That's right, while most users were still waiting for the 8.0 update, Samsung quietly decided to move on to something bigger, bolder, and way more exciting. The twist. Nobody saw it coming. Hey everyone, James here. Welcome back. If you enjoy staying ahead of Galaxy updates, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss what's next. Now, back to this wild update story. Samsung didn't just delay One UI 8.0, it actually pulled it back entirely after a very short rollout. Users of the Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra barely got a glimpse before it disappeared. No official explanation, no press release, nothing, just silence. But insiders quickly noticed something new brewing. A test firmware labeled 9ABXU9FJ, hinting that Samsung had already moved on to One UI 8.5. It's like the company realized halfway through that its next evolution deserved a bigger spotlight. So why skip 8.0? That's the million-dollar question. Some reports suggest Samsung wanted to align this major software jump with the Galaxy S26 launch window, bringing AI-powered features and a complete visual overhaul in one synchronized move. And honestly, it makes sense. One UI 8.5 is shaping up to be more than just a 0.5 update. It's practically a full redesign. Let's talk features because this is where things get exciting. The new customizable quick panel now lets you resize and move toggles anywhere you want, a small change that makes a huge difference in daily use. The entire interface has been refreshed with smoother animations and a more premium finish across system apps and menus. Samsung's moving search bars to the bottom of key apps for easier one-handed use, and even the calling interface looks more polished and modern now. But there's more. One UI 8.5 introduces a direct voicemail system that lets callers leave quick voice messages when you're busy, and you can even set custom ring timers before it kicks in. The camera app layout is cleaner. The Gallery app now includes a bottom search bar plus smarter AI, assisted editing tools, and the generative edit feature feels noticeably faster. Quick Share also got smoother transitions, while the lock screen customization options finally rival those on iOS, with adjustable fonts, clock styles, and color sync for widgets. It's not just about looks, though. Under the hood, Samsung is improving stability, optimizing background app performance, and deepening Galaxy AI integration. Expect smarter text recognition, faster on-device translation, and context-aware suggestions that actually feel useful this time. Early testers claim battery management feels tighter too, with less drain during idle time, something users have been asking for since the 8.0 beta days. Now here's where things get interesting. One UI 8.5 is expected to debut alongside the Galaxy S26 lineup early next year. That means the rollout could start with the S26, S25, and S24 series first, before gradually expanding to other Galaxy models like the A55, A35, and M55. Tablets including the Tab S11 and Tab S10 series are also on track, along with rugged devices like the Xcover 7 Pro. Samsung's update roadmap is ambitious, but based on its recent record, it's very likely this version will reach more devices faster than ever before. So, yeah, Samsung may have skipped 8.0, but it looks like it's skipping straight into something far more refined. The testing build confirms that One UI 8.5 isn't just coming, it's already being fine-tuned. If history is any indicator, a public beta could appear just weeks before the S26 launch event, meaning Galaxy users won't have to wait too long to experience it firsthand. Tell me what you think. Do you prefer Samsung's decision to skip ahead, or would you have liked to see 8.0 first? Drop your thoughts below. And while you're there, hit that like button if you're excited for One UI 8.5, because there's a lot more coming, from hidden features to early beta footage and performance deep dives. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, and I'll catch you in the next one.